All right, let's check the applying the standard that you guys just completed. We are, for the complex fraction, a complex fraction just means that it's a fraction in a fraction. And this bar here means divide, remember. So it's the top divided by the bottom. So if I rewrite it, I've got 1/2 divided by 1/8. Remember, dividing a fraction, same as multiplying by its reciprocal. That's your keep, change, flip. So you flip it to get the reciprocal. You can cross cancel if you want. If you don't, then you get 8/2, which is also 4. And when you're doing unit rates, you want to make sure that you label. So whatever is on top goes first, whatever is on the bottom goes second, okay? I've got 270 divided by 4.5. I'm turning both of them into fractions. Now you can use your calculator to help you with some things, but you are going to be showing work for problems like this. And you get 60 miles per hour. I've got 950 divided by 9. So you can either do 9.5 divided by 9 and you get $1.06 when you round because this is money, or you can divide this out like this with fractions if you want. You can do either or. And you can use your calculator for that division. You don't have to do long division here. The cookie dough that's purchased 32 ounces for $4.56 or 16.5 ounces for $2.50. They want to know the better buy. So if you're trying to figure out a better buy, you want to figure out the money per ounce. How much does it cost per ounce? Then it's even. You can tell which one is which. So use your calculator. You're going to do money divided by ounces, money divided by ounces. Round it to 2 decimal places. You get 14 cents per ounce and 15 cents per ounce. The better buy is going to be the cheaper one. 1 lap around the school track is 2/5 of a kilometer. Camilla runs 3 laps in 5 minutes. What's her running rate in kilometers per minute? So first we have to figure out how far she goes. So 1 lap is 2/5, but she runs 3, so this is how far she goes. And if I want to know how her rate is per kilometers per minute, that means the kilometers goes on top, it's listed first, minutes goes on the bottom. So these are the kilometers divided by the minutes. 6/5 divided by 5, keep, change, flip. 6/25 of a kilometer. You could also type that in your calculator and you get 0.24, 24 hundredths of a kilometer per minute. And the last one. There's 3 companies in the county fair. There's Sharon, Buck, and Reggie, and they're eating the fastest. So we want fastest to slowest eaters. So how much of a pie they can eat in half of a minute? Well, in order to compare them, we need to know how much per minute. So Sharon's 1/6 pies per minute. We'd have 1/6 divided by 1/2. You can keep, change, flip. You could also type it in the calculator, but I think it's faster just to do this when the fractions are this easy. So I've got 1/3 of a pie per minute. Bucks is 1/5 divided by 2/5, keep, change, flip, and I get 1/2 of a pie per minute. And then Reggie's is 1/8 divided by 3/4. You're going to multiply the reciprocal, so you have 1/8 times 4/3 now, and that's 1/6. So the order in fastest to slowest eater, the person that eats the most pies per minute is Buck because it's a half. Sharon is next, and Reggie is last.